All right, this is just a quick video, POV night drive video. Nothing really fucking major, just showing y'all how the camera look at night. So I got a lot of shit to do tomorrow, so I figure I'll just go ahead and get some gas today. That way when I get up in the morning, I don't have to go there and do that shit. And probably just go to the store and get a drink or some shit. But basically I'm just showing y'all what it looked like at night. Needed some places to go, so those two quick places I had to go ahead and head to. It's a Shell that actually near my house that's fucking like basically like the cheapest Shell as far as like me using my rewards and filling up my car. That's where I get my gas at from all the time, so that's why I'm gonna go there first, and then I'm gonna go get a drink. That's pretty much it. Probably do a couple of pulls in the video. Let me go ahead and set this up. So earlier today I was like playing around with this shit, and I just made this custom one right here. You see transmission, track. I had the paddle shifters on. I be having it on and off, but basically just fucking off. Traction and discrete, steering at sport. Now when you put like the steering to track, it be like real stiff, and since I'm just cruising around, I just put that to sport. And just in case, like, you know, I want to mash it off the fucking like the red light, that's why I put the traction on discrete and not sport or track, because it's too much wheel spin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it on this one right here. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear how loud this shit is, but I got the sunroof like cracked, like vented, but I don't got it open just because with the wind, I don't know if it's gonna get all in the camera or not, but we'll see. I'll probably crack it halfway down the street or something like that. Oh yeah, I gotta crack the window for sure. You gotta hear this shit. That's how to get across the street. I'm just going to the gas station right now. If you can see, you probably can't see because I don't know how it's looking on camera, but the range says 26. I filled it up last week, and let me see, it says average 15.3, and so far I got 252 miles, and I still got a whole nother 26 left. Well, let's just say, because the way I'm driving shit, more like 20, so 20 plus 252, that's 272, so that's pretty much what I get, give or take a little bit less actually, because I've been driving in eco mode a little bit more. So just because when I got my son in my car, I don't really drive, I don't drive fast, period. So me and him was going a lot of places last week, so I just had it in fucking eco mode the whole time. But so yeah, basically normally I only get like 250, 240, but this time around I would have got damn near 280. But like I said, I'm going and filling up my car right now just to get it out the way, so I don't have to deal with it tomorrow. lot of people don't know this, but when you take this gas cap off, you put the hang and shit up on here so it's not dangling and scratching all up on your paint. So you see 59, 63, 16 gallons. Shit. Oh, fuck. I don't know why this shit keeps starting in eco mode. Like, I don't know. Maybe I think if you have it in eco mode and you switch it to something else, but you didn't turn eco mode. Like, if you turn eco mode on and then you just switch and then it counts as eco mode, and then you turn the car off and turn it back on, eco mode is gonna come back on. So I think you gotta basically turn this off and then pick what you want to put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset this shit back to 0, because I always, every time I fill my car up, I just fucking reset that so I know how much, like, you know, how many miles I got per gallon and shit. All right, so I don't know if the camera picking up, but this what the trim look like at night. You kind of see it over there. You see it right here. You turn, I only got the brightness all the way up for like all this shit because it's just too bright for me, but that's what it looked like. Door, bezel, middle, right there. I'll go ahead and turn this shit back down. All right. Yeah, so right now, like, the range is say fucking 263, and it's saying that much because I got it in the track right now. So if I switch it to eco, the range would be more, but since I'm driving in track, it's not really showing that much right now. So that's one thing, just in case. So yeah, if you got one of these cars and your shit be showing like a low amount, like, it's gonna show that low if you always drive it in track and sport, or if it's in track and sport at the moment. So it's really more than that. Like, if you put it back to, you know, regular street or auto or eco mode, it's gonna be more. The range is gonna be more. So yeah, I'm just about to go ahead. It's this place called Bahama Bugs. I be getting fucking drinks from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go there, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Head back to the house. Like I said, it's just a quick demo video to show you what it looked like at night. You see, I got my lights on down there. Now, let me let these windows back up. A lot of people, you know, a lot of people don't got these lights. And if you don't have these lights, the car is just like pitch black. All you see is, you know, this shit right here, which that's fine for some people, but I think I'd rather have the option, you know. So like, if you want the lights, but you don't know if you really want them, just put them in. And then just don't, you know, turn them on when you feel like it, and then turn them off when you feel like it. I turn them on at nighttime all the time because I think it just look way fucking better in the car. And it got, you know, you turn the brightness up, change the colors and shit. I normally just keep it on this fucking blue color because it looks best to me, so. Oh, shit.
Looking to serve for you today.
Yeah, can I get a Caribbean Cola, regular size?
All right, anything else for you?
No, that's it.
All right, I'm just gonna fill out the window.
All right, thank you. out. So that's pretty much it. It's starting to sprinkle. See, that's why I didn't wash my fucking car, because I knew it was gonna fucking rain. Like, well, it didn't say it was gonna rain, but it said cloudy, so that's pretty much means it's gonna fucking rain. But like I said, it was just a quick video showing you what the GoPro looked like, you know, at night, showing you what the car looked like, you know, inside the car at night. I'm gonna do like more videos like this, you know, with the camera. Like I said, this GoPro, like, it's gonna allow me to do way more shit with the fucking, like, with my car and the channel and shit. So, like, I know a lot of people, they be asking me, like, a lot of questions, like, you know, how to start a YouTube, you know, how to get this car, how to get your credit score and all that shit. So, instead of me just sitting in front of the camera, just talking, like, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, I'm gonna do that sometimes too, but it's better if I just put like some driving shit in, because I know a lot of people like to just, they like to look at the car, see shit done with the car, and see how the car drive. So just, you know, if you had questions like that, know I'm doing a video on all that. Just give me time. Like, you know, like I said, I took a break because I was on vacation, but now I'm back in town, so I'm about to get back to, you know, making these videos and shit. But just let me know if y'all want to see more shit like this, you know, comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know how the camera quality looking, because like when I was editing the video today, like the shit was looking way, and I know the iPhone record in like 4K, but like the shit, like this GoPro shit look way better. So this like my main camera, just because sometimes I need to show y'all shit on the phone. Like, maybe I'm trying to tell you I know I have to put the shit down in the description, but some of the shit I gotta show you on phone, but I can't because I'm recording from the phone. So that's gonna free my phone up so I can do way more shit. But that's pretty much it, you know. Like I said, just a quick POV night driving video, showing you the camera, showing you the car, and you know, stay down, don't fold, like, comment, subscribe.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I said I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, now I'm out here getting rich.